This is the best gluten-free cake I've ever had, and I think most people would not suspect it's gluten-free. Your ingredients are pretty straightforward, and remember, they are always listed below under the description. Whereas cooking is more of an art, baking is more of an exact science, and how you measure flour is important. If you scoop your flour, you will tend to pack it and end up with too much. So it is best to use a spoon to fill your measuring cup, then level it, and any excess can be returned to the flour mix container. Prepare 2 9-inch or 1 13 by 9-inch pan with baking spray and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add the butter and sugars to a mixing bowl and cream. Starting on low speed, then increasing to medium. Then add your eggs, one at a time, beating after each addition. Creaming dissolves the sugar into the butter, and beating in the eggs one at a time allows the eggs to emulsify, creating a thick, smooth batter. Stop once, scraping down the bowl and the beater, then beat again. Beating also incorporates air into the batter, which results in a lighter cake. Then set your batter aside and combine the yogurt with the sour cream, whisking until smooth. Then combine the dry ingredients, the flour mix, salt, xanthan gum, baking powder, and baking soda. Stir the vanilla into the butter mixture, and then add 1/3 of the flour mixture, alternating with 1/2 of the yogurt mixture, stirring between each addition. You should begin and end with the flour mixture. Then stir just until this last addition of flour is incorporated. Divide the batter between the prepared pans and bake in a 350-degree oven 22 to 24 minutes or until the tester comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool for 5 minutes, then invert them to a plate to finish cooling. Allow the cakes to completely cool before decorating. I hope this cake becomes a part of your family celebrations. Please like this video and share my channel with those who might need help with gluten-free recipes. And thanks for watching.